Hello children, welcome to Learn with Fun. Today we will know about the animals and their home. A lion lives in a den. A bear lives in a cave. Elephants live in forest. Deer lives in grasslands. Hippopotamus lives near river banks. Cheetah lives in savanna. Monkeys live on trees. Camel lives in desert. Giraffe live in savanna. Cow lives in cattle shed. Horse lives in stable. Donkeys also lives in stable. Hen lives in coop. Rabbit lives in burrow. Ants live in anthills. Frogs live near ponds and lakes. Snakes also live in burrow. Bees live in a hive. A dog lives in a kennel. A mouse lives in a hole. Birds live in nest. Panda lives in bamboo forest. Cat lives in a cage. Pigs live in a pigsty. Sheep lives in a pen. Ducks live in water. And fish also live in water. Children, here ends today's session. If you're enjoying watching videos on our channel, do like, share, comment on our videos. And also do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learn with Fun. Thank you.